Morning traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So we ended up with an inside bar for the day. So big down, big up, not really big confusion as this 50% Fibonacci level has held. So we've got a level, which is a Fibonacci level. There's nothing really else that lines up on any of the inside tails, but that is a retracement of this move up. Now, the big thing that I'm looking at the moment is the following. And I'm going to need a little bit more confirmation before I commit to this, but that is our potential move. Okay, and this is on the daily. If I look at my oscillators are grouped nicely for a buying. And remember, whenever the stochastics are grouped far apart like this, that is a much stronger buying signal than what we see here when they're grouped all to the bottom. Okay, so the reality right now is we have a potential 5,000 point move to the upside, just short of the 161.8 extension to the upside, and also an all-time high. Okay, so when we look at the monthly, you can actually see we've got this strong move up, and then we have a potential even higher move. Okay, so this is also sort of a range on the monthly with these two monthly bars where we've got a big inside bar. So we've got down, inside bar, and this is after a strong move up. So there is another potential longer move here that does that. Okay, so that is up there, and that gives us an all-time high. This one doesn't really. Okay, so let's come back to the daily. Anyway, so there are our levels at the moment, and I would assume that we first target 5,3,500. Okay, let's get down to this level here, which is 3 hour. And what we're looking for is the confirmation of the turn. We still don't have a confirmation of the turn. We rallied up to the gap. Here's our gap before the sellers took profit before the close. Okay, a lot of that was fueled by the Federal Reserve making some noises again. And as we stand now, 10 cent is up 0.5%. Rand dollar is, well, the rand is stronger, which bodes well for more shorts at 13.94. But I do suspect what we've seen here is just a retracement. Okay, and the other thing to bear in mind is we don't really have a strong trend line at the moment. It keeps jumping up and down around it. So I'll show you how we're going to check for the trend change on the ichimoku. Okay, so let's just get down to the low time frames first. So if you look at the hour, we've had a gap up, consolidation, and then a stretch for the gap to the upside, and we've bounced off it. So we want to see a little bit of retracement. We've had a trend line break. This could be the area where we sort of open slightly up, come down, close the gap, and then we start looking for our longs. Okay, so that's kind of where my bias is at the moment. Is we should be looking for a trend change, potential trend change at the moment. We've got it on the half hour. We don't have it on the hour or the 4 hour yet. So those are the ones that I'm more interested in. I want to see a trend change on the 3 hour is what I'm looking for. Once I've got confirmation there, then we carry on. For now, not really keen to continue looking for shorts. I think this little short scalp was probably it. We may still bounce down to this area here. 51400. So if 51400 can hold, then we have a very good setup for continuation to the upside. It's going to be a little bit topsy-turvy because we've got quite a few 200 moving averages above us on all the time frames, except for the 3 hour. Okay, so let's just move across. Sorry, last thing there, don't need to tell you this, but your closing range strategy here is definitely something to watch out for. Okay, let's use these levels here. So a break to the downside of 51482 does potentially bring this area of congestion into play. Okay, so it does bring 51271 into play, but I'm more inclined to believe that we're going to get a continuation of the upside, and the 200 EMA, which is these previous highs as well, is the target. Okay, so a break above 516, 5170, 51700. 516, so 51700 is a better one. And you're looking at 51914 as your target to the upside. Okay, so let's just get to the ichimoku, and you can see, we want to start on the hour. You can see how price rallied up into the cloud, bounced off the cloud. We are pretty close to a twist here. Trigger span's not through, but we have got a crossover. Okay, so any kind of little pullback, just keep paying attention to it, that there's going to be an opportunity to get long here. And then what we want to do is we want to ride the next trend. And we're looking for trend change. What I'm looking for is price to get above the cloud. I'm looking for Kijinson and Tigginson to be pointing up, like they were pointing down here, and obviously blue above red. We do this on the 4 hour as well. Right now the trend is down on the 4 hour, quite strongly down on the 4 hour. That fractal level there is the one we're looking for our confirmation, which is 51920. If I look at the 3 hour, the same rule applies. Keys and things are flat. Cloud is flat, so it's indicating a bit of a range. But what we're looking for is break to the upside. Okay, if we look at the daily, we've bounced off the cloud. Okay, so trend was up, come back, it's broken through the cloud, come back to test the break of the cloud. This is a bullish signal. Okay, so on the daily, I'm looking for a move to the upside. The only problem with this daily is, whatever entry you're in, your stop needs to be 1,600 points, needs to be below the cloud. Okay, so anyway, that's my view for today. Watch that closing range for your early entry, but alternatively, even if it does fall to the downside, I'll be looking for a long entry, because I do anticipate that this is about to change. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.